Hello guys, by now I'm sure you're already a pro in preparing spaghetti. Well, this video is to bring to you some tips on how to make very yummy delicious spaghetti and also prevent it from becoming mushy and soft. So the first tip is that make sure to add some oil and some salt, pinch of salt to your water before adding the spaghetti, and also make sure that the water is boiling before adding spaghetti. Now you see that spaghetti, yes, and that trick will prevent the spaghetti from becoming mushy. When I say mushy, I mean soft and sticky to itself. The other way is also to add cold water to rinse it when it's done cooking, and add oil to just massage it. It also prevents from becoming that way. I use the first method, and that's exactly what you saw in the video. Now I'm going to start by also frying my sausages, and as you saw, I was adding some spices to it. This will help give every bit, every bite some taste and some flavor. And I'm going to list the the spices I used in the comment section or in my description box here, so check it out. Okay, now that the sausages are ready, and I'm going to take them out, so you may choose to either beat the egg before adding to the oil, or you may choose to do what I'm doing. I mean, laziness isn't it? Charlie, I did this and I also got exactly the result I was looking for. I'm going to returning this until I get the scrambled egg like I desire, and then I'll take this off from it. Yes, so when this is ready, I'm going to be adding some more oil, because as you saw, the oil is finished from it, and I'm going to be adding some onions, some sliced onion. I didn't chop these onions quite big because my family don't like to see onions, and it's another trick. Okay, if you don't want to add the soy sauce, or you don't have it available, just a little of this tomato paste will go a long way to help it. Yes, and trust when I say this different recipe is a game, it's a game changer. Trust when I say it is. Yeah, so just add a little pinch of it and mix it so well. Add it to fry, leave it to fry for about 5 minutes, then add your chopped tomatoes to it. Stir this for a while, and also allow it, cover it and allow it, for this will release some juice, and then it will become very soft like you see right now. Yes, very soft. I made this chili sauce some time back, and I'm just going to be adding about 2 scoops to it, and I'm going to give it a good stir and allow this also fry for some time. Now when we are back after 5 minutes of frying, I'm going to be adding my spices to it, but I'm going to start with the ginger and garlic powder. This is because I didn't have the blended one and I didn't start with it, so I'm going to start with those ones, so that I can just go into the stew as I desire. And I'll list the list of spices I use in the, yeah, I'll list it behind. I'll stir this and also leave it, cover it, leave it for some time. I lost some oil, so I added a bit of oil to it, and so just like that, our stew is ready. I'm going to add some seasoned cubes to it, and yes, don't forget to add some salt as well. Make sure to taste after adding your seasoning cubes before you add the salt to your desirable taste. Now I'm adding my spaghetti. Just look at how this look. You see, it's very soft, but it looks very tender. And make sure to follow that trick and you'll be safe. Yes, I mixed this, and just look at this. I didn't add oyster sauce, I didn't add dark sauce for any color, but just look at how delicious this looks already. It looks so yummy, and trust me, I can imagine how you are just feeling right now. It tastes so good and it looks so good. The flavor coming out of this kitchen was out of this world. I'm just going to add my scrambled egg and my sausages to it, and yes, that's the trick. Stir it to your preferred desire, mix it well. If you need more salt, add it to it. And you see those oil being out, do not leave it out. Make sure to add it. The juice and everything is in there, and when you add it, it makes everything just perfect and as tasty as supposed to be. I love this. I love this spaghetti. Everybody love it. I'm sure you can't see the onion and anything because the kids don't like it, and they enjoyed every bit of it. Now I'm going to stir this and get ready to dish it out. Yes, guys, please, if you haven't liked any of my videos, then this is an opportunity for you to like this video and subscribe, please, just to help a follower, or just to help me grow my channel. So I wanted to add a sardine, but then I wanted to enjoy the real flavor of this spaghetti. So I decided not to add the spaghetti. That's how come I showed you. But you may choose to add it if you want. In fact, any protein of your choice is just fine. But let's take a time to appreciate this spaghetti. It looks so clean, so beautiful, so interesting. Personally, I can't wait to enjoy this meal, and I'm sure you can also wait to have it in your kitchen and enjoy it. Trust me, I'll bring you nothing but the best. This is the best spaghetti I've ever had. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. And to meet in the next video, I will be showing you more banga, right? So thank you and enjoy your weekend and your week ahead of you. Bye.
Bye.
Doodles.